Hello बच्चों, welcome to third lecture of this MCQ series. In that we are going to start with the first MCQ. See, the number of atoms or molecules contained in one face center cubic unit cell, that is nothing but the FCC. How many atoms or molecules will be there, that we have to find out in a monoatomic substance. So for that purpose we will discuss all three types of the cubic unit cell: FCC, BCC as well as simple. In case of simple, only one atom is present. In BCC 2 and in FCC total 4 atoms will be there. So in this way option C is the correct answer for this MCQ. How to calculate that number of atoms? See, for that purpose firstly we have to draw the cube, and as we know that for FCC atoms are present at the corners as well as at the faces also. So here we have completed 8 corners. Now faces. Faces above, below, left, right, front, back, like that. 6 faces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, back side and front side. So if we consider that corner, in that 1 by 8 into 8 plus, because we want to calculate the total number of atoms. So whatever present at the corner as well as faces together we have to take. So here we have taken that corners atoms. Now faces. How many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each particle or atom which is present at the face, it is shared by the 2 unit cells. So 1 by 2 into 6. So in this way if we consider its number of atoms, that will be 1 plus 2 3s are 6 means 3. So together its answer is 4, and that's why for the FCC number of atoms are 4. Next one, the coordination number of an atom in FCC unit cell. So if we consider the 6, that coordination number is for the simple cubic unit cell. 12 is the answer for this FCC, means coordination number of FCC unit cell is 12. 8 is the coordination number of the BCC. So its answer is B. Hope so here also I have cleared to you. What is that? See, for the BCC, FCC simple, we are going to consider that here we have considered already atoms. If we consider the coordination number, for FCC it is 12, for BCC it is 8, and for simple it is 6. So here we have completed these two MCQ. Next one, the smallest 3-dimensional graph of lattice points which sets the pattern for the whole lattice point. If we consider this statement, this is the definition of the unit cell. So simply here directly we can write the unit cell is the answer. But if we consider that cube, or if we consider the structure of unit cell, in that these points are called as lattice point. These are called as lattice point. And whatever space is there, that space, this space is called as A. So this is the structure of the unit cell. In that we have denoted what is the lattice point, means where it is, and lattice space also. So here we have completed that definition of the unit cell. Next one, the total number of lattice arrangements in different crystal systems is. Here if we consider that crystal system, there are the 7 ways of the arrangement. Now how to remember these 7 ways? So its answer I will tell you that 7, but which are these? For that one I will give you simple trick. That is the CTOTHMT. Now what is that CTOTHMT? That now see here. C for the cubic, T for the tetragonal, O for the orthorhombic, or it is also called as rhombic also, orthorhombic or rhombic. T for the trigonal, H for the hexagonal, M for the monoclinic, and T for the triclinic. So these are the 7 crystal systems are there. These 7, for the 7, Brevis has introduced a total 14 arrangements are there. So here we have completed that 13 one with the simple trick to remember that 7 crystal lattice. What is that trick? Trick is that CTOT HMT. C for the cubic, T for the tetragonal, O for the orthorhombic, T for the trigonal, H for the hexagonal, M for the monoclinic, and last one T for the triclinic. So here we have completed this one. Next one MCQ is, which of the following statement about amorphous solids is incorrect? We are not going to select the correct one. We have to search the incorrect statement for this amorphous solids. So as we know that in case of amorphous solid, there are some points which are this. If we consider the amorphous solids, arrangement of the particles is irregular, means not orderly arranged. Second one, they do not have sharp melting point. They are isotropic. And if we consider their melting point, they do not have sharp melting point, as well as they melt over the range of the temperature. So these are the some points. Now we have to search which points are not there. See, first one, they melt over a range of temperature. That is the correct statement about this amorphous solid. They are anisotropic. This is not correct, because crystalline solids are anisotropic, but amorphous solids are isotropic. Isotropic and anisotropic, these are related to each other. How these are related? See, these two terms, these are the properties of the substance which measures the physical properties, means they have the different physical properties for the different direction. Like that, their relation is there, physical properties and the direction. So here we have completed that isotropic is the correct word for the amorphous solid, but here they have given anisotropic, means this is the incorrect statement. So it is the correct answer. Next one, there is a no orderly arrangements about the particles. No orderly arrangement or the irregular arrangement. And last one, they are rigid and incompressible. So in this way we have completed this MCQ also. Last one, the luster of metal is due to. Now what is mean by that luster? Luster is nothing but the soft glow which is to the any metal. It means we have to search its reason. So if we consider the reason is not the high density, not high polishing, not chemical inertness. Its answer is presence of electrons. Due to presence of free electrons, they can move from one place to another place, and that is the reason behind that luster of the metal. So here we have completed 3 lectures of this series of the MCQ. तो ऐसे ही अच्छे से स्टडी करो, अपना स्कोर बढ़ाते जाओ. सिंपल मेथड से लेकर सिंपल ऑब्जेक्टिव से लेकर डिफिकल्ट लेवल तक हम ऑब्जेक्टिव कंप्लीट करते जाएंगे. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत अच्छे से छोटे छोटे ट्रिक्स भी दिए जाएंगे. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.